Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can deposit money in Chase Bank. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now first of all, open up any preferred browser on your PC, search for Chase Bank, go over to its official website and make sure you're logged in. Basically, there are four ways of depositing money in the Chase Bank: direct deposit, mobile deposit, and ATM deposit. Direct deposit is an automated payment method to which funds are electronically deposited in your checking or saving account. A wire transfer is an electronic payment used to transfer funds between bank accounts. Wire transfer are free with Chase Sapphire checking and Chase Private Clients accounts, and eligible with Chase Premier Plus checking and Chase Total checking account for additional fee. Now you can make cash deposits at more than 15,000 Chase ATMs by following these steps. Insert your Chase debit card and enter your PIN. Choose deposit and cash for the deposit type and then insert the cash into the machine. Review your deposit and press the deposit button. Once you have signed into your Chase mobile banking app, you can deposit a check by following these steps. Select the Pay and Transfer icon at the bottom of the screen. Select the deposit checks icon and the account you are depositing into. Enter the amount on the check you are depositing. Follow the instructions to take photos of the front and the back of the check. Make sure that you are endorse the check. Now select deposit and then yes to confirm. That's how you can deposit money in Chase Bank. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.